To make this Lion Half Face leaf typography in Canva, you need to go to Canva KI, and after that click on create image and make sure the style is smart and the dimension is 1:1. Now after that you have to write the prompt as create a cute painting of a smiling lion head sticker logo. Okay, and I have created these 4 images with this prompt, and I will use this, which you can just download it by clicking on this download button. And after that I have opened a Instagram post square format, and after that in the uploads you can see that I have already uploaded the image. So you need to upload it, and after that click on this image to bring on this canvas. Okay, but first click on add page, and here write the text as, click on add a heading, and here write too cute to handle. Okay, and for handle I will just move it in the second line, and after that just break the word handle to 2 lines. Okay, and after that just bring it here, change the font to 116 and the font as Anton. Okay, and after that here in this alignment part click on left alignment, and for advanced settings I will change the line spacing to 1.04. Okay, so 1.04 is done here, and after that now I will return to the lion face and click on it, click on edit, and now I will scroll all the way down to find this tracer app, and I will select this image which is auto selected, and after that click on output mode and make sure it is in black and white and click on trace image. And as you can see our image is traced. I have already used the threshold as 135, so by default it is coming as that. If your threshold is coming different, just change it to 135 to use it. Okay, and after that just scroll down to click on add to design in this page. Okay, and after that let it upload, and it is uploaded now just make it to the same size as the text. So to make it to the same size of the text, just right click it, move it to send backward, click on send backward, and just use different text color. I am using white here, and after that just adjust the image accordingly. Just we have to make it slightly smaller. Just move it slightly to the left, slightly smaller here till the D, like this. Okay, now I will just select this lion face and click on crop and just change it to here. Click on done and change the font color to black now, and now it is done. So after that I will go to elements here, and I will use this beetle leaf which says beetle leaf down series, and it is free to use for Canva Pro users. If you want to use image which is free to use for all users, you can just download from any third-party website, and let's use it. Now I will just rotate it to 180 degrees. Okay, and I click on flip horizontal, and after that I will just make the image bigger, and I will just click on layers and send to back. Okay, and I will just rotate it slightly so that the lion face is aligned with the leaf. Rotate it slightly. Keep it like this. Okay, and after that you can see that the image is done here. So select all of them by pressing Ctrl plus A in the keyboard and just middle it. So middling is done, as you can see. After that, select both the lion and the text by pressing shift and press Ctrl plus X in the keyboard to click on add page and Ctrl plus V to paste it. Okay, so it is done. Now we have to download the page 2 and 3, but you can't just download a pro element like that. So you need to use another element which is free to use, and just make it as small as you can and press it right here. And after that, click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and unselect this select all and select page 2 and 3. Click on done and just click on download. Now after the download, click on add page and just re-upload both the designs. Just place it here, and after that just scroll down to find the apps, and here write blend. And in the bottom layer, select this leaf, and for the top layer you use this lion face, and make sure the blend mode is in screen and click on add page and just click on add to design, and your design is ready to use. And you can just make a typography like this easily in Canva using a leaf here. So if you like this design, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any type of updates from my channel. If you want to support my channel, please hype this video and please leave a comment so that I can understand you have visited my channel and you like my work and you support my journey of making free tutorials available for you. This small comment will make a huge impact for me and for my channel, and this will help me make new tutorials available for you. Thank you and have a great day.